Your emergency? I'm at my parents' house. My husband is out front. He's just out of control. Okay, what's he doing exactly? Shooting a gun in the air. Our daughter was in a car wreck earlier. He just can't get a handle on it. Can you still see him? He's going to his shop on Corrigan.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
As officers arrive on scene, they have no idea how many shots will be fired before the night is over.
They gotta come locked and loaded, y'all.
Keep pistol.
I'm gonna head that way if you and 36 want to go.
I was gonna go to the caller, but I'm ready, so I'll go to Austin Norwood if you want me to. I'll look for him.
You can go down on Corrigan halfway and get out.
This is Corrigan right here?
Just pull up in the dark behind me there. The next tree line up there.
I say we stay here by the cars. It's about 800 feet in front of us, you said?
It's about 400, so it's probably gonna be that one up there on the left. I don't know.
With the white light on?
Yeah, I can't see. I mean, I can see this building over here. I don't know if that's his shop or not, or if he's gonna be over here where the orange light is. You wanna get closer, or you wanna stay here? Because we're like, what, 800 feet out?
I don't see any reason to.
Before she
gets coming.
Car coming? Yeah. Heard you.
Better duck and cover, bruh.
636 Brownwood, unknown, but we do have a car coming to our location at the corner of Frankie and Norwood, I believe it is. It's coming this way.
It's coming real slow if it is.
He may be trying to decide what to do.
He pushed her and shot off rounds to intimidate.
We do have a vehicle with lights on sitting in the middle of the road, Frankie Street near Corrigan, approximately 1,000 feet from my location. Did they respond?
He said receive, but something's wrong with his mic right now. He's real quiet.
Yeah.
And the offense originally happened in the county. Negative, it happened in First Street.
He's about to call us off.
But it's a minor offense pushing, so we got offensive touch.
She was threatened by him shooting a gun.
So far he wasn't shooting it at her. It's moving now.
Moving, yeah.
They're searching, or is he?
Okay, 342. Check her to check her line 360.
Let's go ahead and move around, I guess, as he comes by.
Yo, before we finish this video, you know who it is. Your boy Romy Rum in the house, in your mouth. Romy Rum, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. Title of this video is Man Suddenly Ambushes Cops with 100 Shots. All right. Always check your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, and keep your vibes high.
Appears to be at Norwood and Prince.
That's us.
Whoa!
Get out.
Yeah!
36 round, one shot fired.
Wow, he's let loose. I ain't playing, better go get that automatic, man.
Jesus, protect me and my man.
Oh, you shooting like a 22 or something?
No, I think I'm good. You good?
Why ain't the cops letting themselves be known?
Hold on, see security first.
Yeah. 36 Brownwood, officers are 10-4. We're going to be changing locations. Let's get
You could be thinking there's somebody on his property that shouldn't be on it.
Come back, come back.
Okay, get out there, cop. Hey, is he shooting at the cops or is he shooting in the air? Got that boy in a bear crawl.
You okay?
I don't know if I'm hit or not.
Let's get in your car. Let's get out of here.
Get the hell up out of here. I'm with it. I'm with it, yo.
25 other units. We're in the 6th unit relocating.
I don't know if I got hit or not. I got a pain in my leg, but I don't feel any threat.
Watch your gun.
Yeah.
Hey, I looked at my party like, hey, he tripping, man. You trying to roll? Hey, no sense though. I always get shot up, bro. I'm trying to make it home. He out here bucking, and I'm trying to get in the truck and get the truck trucking. You know me, get on up out of here. He tripping. You know what I'm saying? Let's let him calm down first. Well, I don't know. We don't know. The cop don't even know if he done got hit or if dude is just shooting in the air. I don't know. But hey. I'd be like, man, we could do a drive-by. But other than that, I'm gonna get like what's the name of the little singing group? NSYNC. Bye bye bye. I'm about to go bye bye bye.
Going up 23rd Norwood. Where do you need us?
Get out of there, man. He shot out the window, really? Loose out the window.
I've been hit.
Corporal may be taking rounds. Let's try to get over there if we can.
Soldier been hit.
Who? Soldier been hit.
You 10-4?
You're good. That's it. Handle it.
Hey, did they get it?
Shoot it.
I ain't playing with it. Yeah. Hey, old boy set it off.
Let's see.
Still moving?
Reloading! I'm in. Moving up.
All right. No. $900, $800 block in Norwood. I've been hit in the arm or somewhere.
You okay? Here in reverse.
I don't know.
You bleeding?
No, same thing.
Headlights.
I know. I'm just like, where is he?
Don't go down Norwood. Can you take your gun?
Yeah.
Here. Stop for just a second. Take your gun real quick. Get it in your holster.
Yeah.
No blood in your seat. Hustle. We're sitting ducks.
I know. I need to get my rifle.
Yeah.
650 Brown. I'm sure where I'm hit.
I'm at Austin.
Go. Austin and Norwood. Go straight and turn left.
Stay over there, sir. I just got shot, sir. Stay over there.
10-4. He's going to be in front of 53's patrol car.
About 85 yards. Headlights will be pointing towards the car.
Okay, there to the left.
He is straight shot.
Which way? Left. Can you take him to the hospital?
Yeah. Is this him?
This is him right here. That's him to the left.
Where?
Are you sure you're okay to drive, Holdar?
Yeah, I'm driving. I just don't know where this guy is.
Left right here.
Stay with him.
Where is he?
He's up ahead and he's on my car. Take me to the hospital.
I got you. 25 to 42.
Me, I'm coming off the corporal's car. 25. If you have an extra rifle mag, I'm empty.
Yeah, into my passenger door. I got one in my vest. Did you get hit?
I don't know, maybe in the leg. I feel like I got a ball in my leg. It feels like something punched me, but there's no blood, so.
Okay.
Is this him in front of us?
Yeah, that's his car.
Okay. I've got one full pistol, one full partial. Is this a car coming at us right now? Negative, that's a different one. Get down if you can. Go! Get out of the way! Go! Drive!
Get up the damn road, man.
Corporal has a little bit of bleeding on his head next to his ear.
Early unit, we're behind you.
I got several rounds into his this cab. It might have been me. He came rolling up and shot at Corporal right here. I think we need to try to get back to the other car if we can. Get as much between him as we can. You're gonna move and I'll cover? Yeah, let's move together. Okay. Stay on line. Okay. Backing up. Come in front, You're good? You got Corporal's mag right here if you need it. It's empty. He's in the driver's side, so I could only see the far side. On your side, where's County?
Sergeant Sheehan, go help them, please. Austin and Norwood.
Where is this actual?
Norwood. Norwood and Austin.
They're calling us at Melwood.
No, Norwood.
Why don't you check yourself right quick? I'll cover. And once you're done, I'll check myself.
Tell me, I think I'm okay.
Me neither. I'm gonna check myself right quick. Blood. No blood. No blood. I'm back out.
Vine Street. Come down Vine Street. See if we can get eyes on his vehicle.
I'm gonna move up to my bag, and I'm gonna get my
They had to have hit dude, man. They had to have. They let loose on that
Okay,
truck.
I'm gonna get my rifle back online. 10-4, 625 to early unit. He's behind you. Turn the other way. We got to watch line of fire here. Come westbound on Norwood. This is his car in front of the 2 police cars. They're looking at it. They need to hit it or something, man. 25 other units. We're behind the 2nd police car.
Hey, if y'all want to, get behind my car and I'll creep up.
Let's hold on before we do that. He said he'll creep up, but we need to hold on for just a second below before we do that, man. We have a way to get eyes on him, binoculars or anything?
So what's going to happen? They're just getting this shield and they're going to approach.
He had a full automatic weapon.
If they start shooting, don't shoot.
He's got a shield back here if you want to hold it. You want to hold my rifle? Yeah. Let's hold your rifle here for now. 10-4, watch out. Here comes County, another unit. We got another County unit coming up. Are they not making an approach?
I can't see with those headlights.
Yeah, me neither.
Who's this?
This is the twins.
Where's he at?
He's in his car still.
Hey, Bess, just like my brother was saying, I got no comms, so I'm going to be with you, okay?
Gotcha.
Hey, which car is his?
The truck with the headlights on?
Copy. Moving.
You got shield? I have shield. Okay.
I got long gun.
Step inside just a little bit. You want to get right behind me?
Yeah, almost.
Get out. Yeah. Okay.
Man, dude gotta be done, man. He ain't shot in a while. That should let them know that he might be hurt.
Who's out there?
Who's in the car?
Hey, who's in the car?
It's County. It's County.
Blue?
Blue!
Blue, blue!
Leave the subject down.
Hey, trauma strips on my back, rip it off.
Yeah! That boy got a drum on that thing.
Should we secure these weapons? They're loaded and chambered.
Hold out for now. We got him secured. He's down.
Check me real quick. I hadn't been checked thoroughly. Just by myself in the dark.
Okay, I don't see anything. I think you're good, bud.
According to investigators, the suspect and his wife, who had been married for 21 years, had been arguing prior to the incident. She later assisted in locating him by using the Life 360 app to track his whereabouts. During the confrontation, Corporal Chris Salazar was shot twice, suffering gunshot wounds to his left ear and left shoulder. He was transported to a nearby hospital, where he was assessed on arrival and later reported to be in stable condition. The suspect, identified as Holly Oliver, 59, was shot multiple times, sustaining wounds to the upper chest, neck, upper right arm, and back near the right shoulder blade. Officers and deputies rendered aid at the scene, applying chest seals and performing CPR before he was transported to a hospital, where he was later pronounced dead at 1:07 a.m. Authorities recovered 3 firearms from the vehicle: an AR-15 rifle, a 9mm pistol caliber carbine, and a 9mm handgun. Investigators also recovered .223, .556, and 9mm shell casings, suggesting multiple firearms were discharged. Shell casings, projectiles, and EMS shears were also found in a nearby yard, while children in the area later discovered damaged rounds and spent casings.
Wow.
It's a heart-stopping moment as a woman.
This is the perfect pair for your iPhone.
Hey, stop, man. Damn. Hey, that was intense, y'all. That was real intense. So, obviously, dude didn't make it. Again, no explanation of what's going on, other than he was just angry that his daughter got into a car accident. You know what I mean? It has to be something more than that. It could have been we don't know, but it could have been his wife pushed him over the edge. You know what I mean? Sometimes it'd be like that. Or sometimes he just was at his wit's end. He was fed up and was like, we don't know if he was drunk, none of that stuff. We just don't know. But you see how dangerous a cop's job can be. You know what I mean? This is an insight into how dangerous things could really get. You know, especially when somebody's really off, like he was, and just start letting loose. He had some heat in his car. 223s, 556s, he was trying to take somebody down. You know what I mean? So, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Rome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. And keep your vibes high. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure y'all tap into the lives Tuesday, 6 to 8, and Saturday and Sundays, 4 to 6. And continue to spread the word. We are on the hunt, on the chase to 2,000 subs. And every day we get closer and closer, y'all. So be easy. I'll catch y'all on the next one.